Okay guys, we thought we'd show you one last bonus waterfall. Hope you like this one. It is something special. It's called the Henrhyd Waterfalls. It's kind of in the middle of nowhere, but it is absolutely spectacular, and it's just one we wanted to chuck on for you as a little bonus. Enjoy. The Henrhyd Falls are the tallest waterfalls in South Wales. Located near the village of Coilbren, it's a stunning natural attraction with a beautiful surrounding area for hiking and exploring. It's a wonderfully fun hike, but it can be slippy. Give us a wave, Tom. Let us know you're okay. There you go. As long as you take your time and you're sure-footed, you can walk right underneath the waterfall for the most stunning view, looking out from underneath the crashing water. The waterfall has a drop of approximately 90 feet or 27 meters, and this makes it the tallest waterfall in all of South Wales. Given how exceptionally beautiful it is here, if you get here nice and early, then you can absolutely beat the tourists and beat the crowds, and you can have the entire waterfall to yourself, as we were lucky enough to find when we got here one beautiful January morning. And for all you movie buffs out there, this fantastic waterfall was featured in the 2012 Christopher Nolan movie The Dark Knight Rises, featured as the entrance to the Batcave. Henrhyd Falls, or Sgwd Henrhyd in Welsh, is set off the beaten track a little bit, although it does still constitute part of the beautiful waterfall country. You'll have to do a little research and explore around a little bit, but it can be found between Glynneath and Abercraf on an old country road that kind of drives and disappears into nowhere. Makes for a fantastic little hiking adventure. Just to repeat though, once again, it can be very slippy walking underneath the fall, so do take care if you have a go. So there you go guys, that's the end of our waterfalls. Hope you enjoyed this last bonus one here. It's called the Henrhyd Falls, and as you can see, it's pretty spectacular. On the postcode as to where it is, yeah, we're not going to tell you that, sorry. Some things are best left to the imagination, and that's what adventure's all about, okay? So get in your cars, get your boots on, and get out here and find it for yourselves. You'll have a wonderful time. Catch you later, hobos.